I'm going to show you what Ate Ana gave to me, guys. Pack! Bongga! Pack ganun. Open? Open? Yes, tingnan nyo, guys. Hi guys, good afternoon. Happy Friday everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video guys, we are going out. We're catching up with Ate Ana at High Point Shopping Center, guys. So we said we're going to catch up for dinner. 5:30, which is, yeah, I think it's nearly 5:30 now, so we gotta keep moving. I've got Paris's pram. We're just gonna put it in the boot. And then off we go, guys. So we'll see you when we get to High Point. So guys, we just parked. Oh my god, it took so long for us to find a parking spot. Anyways, we've done it. And Paris doesn't want to go into the pram, guys. So Mama's going to carry her. Kiss Mama. Love you. Baby girl?
No, I can do it though.
What's that, honey? Nice. Guys, it's feeling like Christmas here now, guys. Ala, go na tikuan. Guys, Ate Ana is here now, guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, very cute here. Very nice. Tingnan nyo si Paris. Guys, alam niyo naman, pag nagkikita kami ni Ate Ana.
Hindi kasi birthday nyo, di ba? Small something lang. Kasi birthday. And the Merry Christmas.
Uy, dalawa! May ganon. Birthday tsaka.
I'll bring the kids just a second.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, guys, may free drinks pala dito, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Mommy. Happy birthday.
Oh, may ayan na, guys. Ayan talaga sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Oh my God,
you.
There you go.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you.
And this is for Happy Christmas.
Drink.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you, Ti.
Dalawa
Ang
talaga
dami,
kasi
Ti.
birthday tsaka Christmas.
Eh, bakit din wala kaming dala? Anak, anak.
Merry
mata-
Christmas.
Oh, what's that, baby? Get it.
Yeah,
Have a
open
look.
it.
Have a look what's inside.
Nagbabata ba siya? Hindi lang ko siya nito.
Wow. Okay, thank you, Te. Okay. What's that?
Open it.
We say thank you, Ate Ana. Oh, wow. What's that?
The hair.
Wow.
Yan, pag
Oh,
mawala,
ayan. Ang
maraming
dami.
extra.
Oh, wala. So cute. And
Earrings.
give Tita Ana Karu. May see, what's that?
Hairbrush.
Uy.
Hairbrush like this. I'll open it for you. And you open it.
Nakakatakot kasi ang
Pero like
eh,
this
very-
is oh.
Wow.
Brush your hair.
What's this? Comb. Wow, so cute.
Pang hair. Pang hair niya. Ito pang swimming, pang tub. Mag-rainbow yung color ng tubig.
Oh.
It's safe for kids eh.
Nice.
And then magmo-moisturize pa yung skin niya.
Wow, yeah, who's the lucky girl? So guys, we're at Minnie's. We just ordered our food, guys, and we're waiting for
Very
our
healthy
chicken.
Sa kanya lang yung healthy guys kasi
Uy, hindi ko kain din akong chicken.
Ay,
Sabay
pero at least may salad.
Kunyari lang.
Yung tawag na balance diet.
Yeah.
Balance na
Galing mo,
balance.
sis. Balance diet.
Tapos, yung baby is watching nursery rhymes. So guys, di ba nga, may ano kami, we have gift from Ate Ana guys. So we're going to unbox it now and find out. Thank you, Tia. Thank you very much. Sige, si Mingay muna ang mag-unbox. Kasi birthday guys, birthday namin.
Dalawa yung gift niya ate sa akin. Kasi sa birthday, saka sa Christmas. Kasi wala siya sa Christmas card.
Hali siya guys. Sana all. Pupunta siya ng hulo-sulo guys. Nakikipagdigma siya.
Hanapin ko yung ano ko doon, soulmate.
Yung baka makita ni ano.
Uy, hindi. Joking darling.
Pwede
mo
sa
naman
first.
i-edit yun. For my birthday and for Christmas. Okay,
Go,
sa
go.
birthday muna kasi tapos na yung meron dito ano. Sige, sige, buksan mo na yan. It's from Kiki.
Diba? Katipunan, ang kagalang-galangang katipunan.
Uy,
ano yun?
ulo, di ka.
Kagalang-galangang katipunan.
Kilusan, kabuhayan at kaunlaran, yun ang alam ko.
Alam ko nakasarap ang tissue.
Oh my God.
Yung ano ba, yung
Kagalang-galang, ay,
Ala, i-open na lang. Ay naman pag
Open mo na yan.
mo na lang.
nako.
De, wow, what's that?
Ilalagay mo yan sa loob yan. Hindi ko man maano yun.
Ano meron? Ah,
Basta.
alam niya. Ah, lipstick ba to?
Okay.
Ay, hindi mag-focus. Tingnan mo na. What happened na?
Wow! Yung shade na gusto ko. Try mo na ini.
Here's our food guys. We got the sweet and spicy chicken, sweet potato fries, yung salad ni Ate Ana guys, the liquor healthy, and isang rice.
Tapusin mo na natin dito para makip ko.
Sige, go. Uy, paghintayin natin yung grasya.
Try mo yung lipstick. Okay lang yan, madali lang. Try mo nga.
Sige, go.
Ito yung give niya, Ti.
Wow.
Ganda ng shade.
Yeah.
Try mo. Try mo na. Huwag mo basain yung lips mo. Konti lang. Ganun.
Ano mo na?
Ganyan ka ba mag-lipstick? Di naman.
Nice. Ayun na, yan na. Huwag mo na parang natural lang. Oh.
Tsaka, cute ng kulay.
Wow.
Pwede to dito. Yes, that's why.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
It's so cute. Meron akong hindi ko na ginagamit na Jo Malone.
Oh my God, bakit? Bakit sa kanya?
Ay, hindi, meron kayo doon.
Bakit sa kanya?
Thank you, Ate.
Hala, guys.
ginagamit yan.
Hala, hindi fair. Guys, Joe Malone.
Kasi pang summer set, pang Filipino
Wow.
na set yan eh.
Yeah, I love this. I love this, but I can't afford. Ala.
And then may sample for you. Oo, yung mga ulan. Nandito
Wow.
lahat yung brand, guys. Called Givenchy.
Ala, grabe. Ala, ganyan.
And for Christmas.
Uy, bilisan mo na. Kaya nagugutom na si Ate Ana.
From Don.
Yes. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sorry. Kaya inasar yung kapatid.
Bakit?
Pagpunta ka ng Vegas, bilang ka
Bakit? Guys, have a look. Then, wow.
Suotin ko ito pag-uwi.
Nice. Tingnan mo guys. Oh.
Sexy.
Yeah. I love that part. Yung parang sa dito ba? Yeah.
Thank you, Te.
That's so
Thank you,
cute.
Ate
Thank you. Guys, mamaya na yung sa akin guys. Kasi we'll eat first. Tapos, yeah, tingnan natin yung sa akin mamaya. Ang baby namin guys, oh.
Serious?
Yes. Bon appetit! guys, I'm going to show you what Ate Ana gave to me, guys. Pack! Bongga! Pack ganun.
Open?
Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. Ugar? Check my card. Dear Jovi, happy birthday sis from Ate Ana. Chanel, oh, bongga.
Yun lang, wala na. Box lang yan.
Yun ang naman ng paper bag, guys.
Walang laman.
Tingnan natin, guys. Ano na? Hand cream. Chanel hand cream. Ayan, hindi mag-focus. Oh, yan. Try natin, guys. Open natin, guys. No! May ganito pala.
Itlog.
It's very nice, mo. Oh, hindi siya mag-focus, guys. Ano to?
Itlog. You press it. No,
Oh, press lang? Ganyan lang pala, guys. Maliit lang ang lumalabas.
Yes,
Kaya
kasi
okay
it's
na.
concentrate. Concentrate yan sis.
Smell it. Sabihan kasi may pag-uwi ko. Ay, honey. Bango-bango, guys. Thank you, ha. Hindi naman ako nag-cream ng kamay ko, eh. Hindi na kailangan ng cream ng kamay ko. But it's nice.
Ang cute ng lagayan.
Yeah.
Egg.
Parang ganito. Ay!
Dalawang klase yan yung isa, black pang wrinkles. Wala namang wrinkles si Jovi.
Wala pa. Malapit.
Kaya yan lang yung...
It's very nice. Maganda ito kasi parang compact din,
Yeah,
ha?
compact.
Bagay ito yung sa bag mo, te. Baka gusto mo ibigay sa akin yung bag.
Yung bag, wala nang space eh.
Guys, that's the one, guys. Bongga talaga, guys. Ay, smells so good. And, meron isa.
That's for the thighs.
Ah,
Kasi nakita ko yung isang YouTube vlog. Gusto mo yung skin,
ito?
drink skin ba yun? Diba yun yung parang ginamit? Skin drink? Diba yan yun? Parang I watch your YouTube long time ago. Tapos nagpag-ipag ng mga ginagamit mo sa face, yun. Tapos parang may nakita akong skin drink. Skin drink for your face.
facial moisturizer. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ganyan lang yung laman, guys.
Hindi ba ganyan yung ginagamit?
Hindi, iba. Lagay ko na-
pero lash pa rin.
Oh. Lagay ko lang nga, wala naman akong makeup, eh. Yan natin.
Ano yan? Skin drink.
Facial moisturizer.
Try mo.
Parang kailangan
Try mo.
Oo,
Bibi.
baka ikaw, ay!
Baka yan yung
Alam ko na,
ano
Ti.
sa
Alam
skin
ko
mo.
na. Sa akin yung,
Yung
Malone.
alam ko yung nasa isip niya. Kasi talaga
Uy, ito yung kailangan mo.
Hindi, try mo nga. Lagay mo dito sa ano mo. Tingin ko mo, dry. O, tingnan mo, dry yung ano niya. May mga skin. Try mo konti. Then, let's see. Sige, masal ko.
Uy, ganun.
Dito ka sa kabila mag-concentrate. Yan, dyan.
Parang nag-demo pa dito, nag-demo eh.
Pero alam mo, sabi nung babae, yan daw pinakamaganda na.
Nak. You poopoo? Oh, bye-bye, monkey. Did you say bye-bye fish?
Bye-bye.
Fish. Bird.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bird. Bye-bye, monkey. Yay. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. So guys, it's nearly 9 o'clock at night, guys, and we're still here because Clara's still enjoying, and Mimi and Ate Anna's just sitting there, guys. There. But yeah, come on, honey, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Guys, she's having a poo-poo. Poo-poo? Are you okay?
No.
Poo-poo?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hello. Guys, very tired na, guys.
Yeah, tired. Tired of eating.
Tired of it. Have a look. Show, Max. Show. Guys, I got this one from Bevel's. Oh, so cute, guys. I think like it's not so sparkly on the video, but it's very sparkly, guys. Very, very sparkly. So we've got a few boxes here, guys, but this one here, this is from Ate Anna, guys. She bought us this. Mimi
It
already.
looks really nice.
Mimi already put it on her. Yeah, guys. See? So cool. Tag sa me, guys. So I'm gonna put it here. So currently I have the hot one. But yeah. Come on, sweetie.
He wants to be changed daw.
Come on. Come on.
Concentrate yan.
Ay, ano munang mag-push.
Oh my God, your face.
See, guys, we're gonna go home soon. Huh? Babe, have a look, babe. This is what it looks like, guys. See, very nice. It's very similar to mine, guys. Nice. It's for gifts, babe.
Suot mo na yung magandang kanina. Ah, that one. See? Wow, oh my God. Parang naka Queenies. Ganda. Ganda.
Very nice. Yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
Wait, tuloy-tuloy.
Uy!
Ako yung kanya. Sa'yo.
Te, thank you, Te, for today.
Welcome.
Guys, Ate Anna is going to Las Vegas
Tawi-tawi.
next week. So, she's leaving, guys. That's why we're having this pedida party in High Point. The baby nakapupo na.
Why is she pointing her cheek? What does it
I'm
mean?
not sure. What's that, Nak? Face? Where's your shoes? Where?
Okay lang sa kanya yung bags niya. Hindi siya na irritate.
Gusto nga ni gusto ni Mike na i-cut ba? Sabi ko, lang, i-clip na lang. Hi guys, we're now home. And guess what? We've got some sponge cake from Bread Top. And Paris just watching TV. And guys, it's actually late now. It's nearly 10 at night. I just took my glasses off and have a look. I hate when it makes that mark. But yeah guys, thank you for watching today's video. Actually, no, first thank you Ate Anna for today, for tonight. Yeah, I appreciate everything. And yeah, seriously, all of these from her, amazing. Thank you, Te. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, that's it. Have a good night. See you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.